Police are still actively looking for the shooter who injured someone at the Maine Mall yesterday afternoon. Shoppers and workers panicked as the entire mall was locked down, then evacuated by police.
The South Portland police chief now says their suspect is 20-year-old Ahmad Bashir Awad. He's from Westbrook. Our Pearl Small has the latest on the investigation.
South Portland's police chief says after the suspect shot one person inside the mall, they fled through the food court entrance behind me before getting into a silver sedan and driving away. Also fleeing that scene was Hunter Peel, who works at the Round One Bowling and Arcade.
I ran immediately. I texted my work saying we need to evacuate immediately.
Peel was on break, grabbing lunch in the food court when he heard gunshots.
It sounded right next to me when I was just in line waiting for Sorku because the bathrooms were right there.
Peel knows now how close he truly was, as South Portland police have now confirmed the shooting started and ended in the mall's bathroom. Police Chief Dan Ahern says the moments they found out it was likely an isolated incident was a huge relief.
We responded to what we thought was an active shooter at the mall.
Ahern says the investigation shows Ahmed Bashir Awad shot another man in the upper right leg, then fled. The victim was bleeding heavily and was taken to the hospital for emergency surgery. He's now in good condition, but the chiefs say he hasn't helped them make much progress in finding the shooter.
According to the victim, we did a interview of him, and he's stating that he doesn't know this person.
Ahern says his department is using all its resources to find Awad, and the public should feel safe.
Is the public safe? Yes, the public is safe. It's hard to say, well, how can he be safe? How can the public be safe if he's not in custody? Well, we're not sure that he's even in the state of Maine, but we don't think that anyone should be worried that he's, roaming around here in the city of South Portland.
One day after a shooting and in the middle of a snowstorm, it's clear many people felt safe enough to shop and work at the mall. Hunter Peel was one of them. He says he's confident he can go back to work, but that doesn't mean all concern is off the table. And he can understand why some may be more apprehensive.
South Portland is this is a staple in the mall, so people want to come here, do their still retail shopping. So I understand completely when people just come here and now don't feel so safe, especially when that person could have just left and still hasn't been caught yet.
Police say they have encountered Awad before. They say he's from Westbrook and 20 years old, and they believe he's been living in his car. When he is caught and arrested, they will be seeking charges for elevated aggravated assault. In South Portland, Pearl Small, News Center, Maine.